Hello, welcome to the House of R. It's All Hallows Eve, or Halloween. And the most scary Hot Wheels I got is a Batman 5-pack. So, let's open the Batman 5-pack, have a look, spin them on the table. Let's go. See, Batman. Got some cool graphics on the side and the back. Let's see how easy it opens. Whoa. Let's start off this Batman 5-pack with the Bat. Some kind of flying vehicle, I think. Quite cool. Alright. Moving on with the Dodge Charger RT. Gotham City Police Department. That is cool Dodge. GCPD. Excellent. Alright, and we got the Silhouette. Mr. Freeze Silhouette. That's what it's called. It's a cool car. And we got the So Fast. Green with a Riddler motive. It's a cool Batman car. I like the color schemes on this. The Riddler color schemes. Alright. And number 5. Last one of today's pack. That's the Batmobile. That's one from the animated series. And that is a cool car. So, that's it for the Batman 5-pack. I'm gonna photoshoot this into my garage, if possible. And please, subscribe if you haven't, put a thumbs up if you liked the video, and hit notification bell if you want a warning each time I open some new cars. And I see you later.